Hello everyone, this is Wanda. I am currently a Customily product designer. So today's video we will talk about how to add option and move option in option set. So basically it's how to manage your option in the option set. Let's back to our previous teaching material. This is our template and this is our product. This is our template. I just reopened the template and then the option. Let's first think how to add a new option. Here you have add option function, built-in function. When do you think we need to add option? So like all these options are defaultly exist, but like this one, for example, I choose two people, number of two people. It has so first the body form, and then stand pose, and then all of them related to a skin tone. So like this is standing pose with drink, and that's the corresponding body showing up, linking to the skin tone option. That's supposed with V. Notice it become a V, and then also the body form changed. If I choose tall and curvy, it will be like this. So like skin tone has two determining options. One is body form, another is standing pose. But these are not linking to any libraries. Are not linking to any defaultly exist libraries or the layers. So these are actually manually create in our option set. Let's do something similar. Our templates are like this. For example, that is the body form. But I want to say, let me think. Pants, shirt. I want to say if we could choose the gender is girl or boy, then here I create, this is the option I just created. Then type of option, I set it as drop down. Option label, gender. Number one gender actually. Related to person one, which is these positions, person. Place, holder, keep it empty, have text, keep it empty. Then customly function, we don't need to link it to any function since it's not this option or say this layer is not existing in our template. Condition, let's keep it empty. Then drop down value, we say boy and girl. Then notice if we didn't link it to any existed libraries, existed libraries, or say exist layers in the template, that means they won't show us like the option ID things like this. This one has this image option. This one doesn't, because it doesn't link to any ID, and that's not like weird thing. That is some kind of things that we need when we are doing like manually adding options. So I have boy and a girl, and then for the body one is actually a girl body, because we only have like girl hairstyles. And that means so maybe the condition is show when the field is gender as girl. And of course, same as this hair. It will only show when the condition is girl. And then we save option set and we see what these added option like and what it affected the rest options. See, the gender has chosen option 1. And this gender number 1 is just it's the one we just built. Then it has body 2. And it has pants 1, pants 2. It has shirt 1, shirt 2. But notice, where's the hair 1? The hair 1 doesn't showing up here because I said this hair 1 only shows 1 when the gender is chosen as girl. So let's see, if I choose boy, the body 1 still not showing up, and the hair 1 is also not showing up. Same for in the image, product image. If I choose girl, this one showing up and the body 1 shows up. You start to choose. And same with the hair. Here you have bone and tie things. Yeah. And then one more things I need to mention here. Like I forgot to mention that at previous the option type, option function, and option present logic thing is like you notice for hairs, the hairs at our template, we only create one layer called hair. And then it's linking to pencil style back, woman hairstyle. But here in our options, it has here and then it has 4 different options, and then for each different options, these small things showing up. That is remember our first video, the library building, like how to determine what library you need to build. I have mentioned some libraries has categories. That is the category. Let's check. Here one, we go to the library. Look, it has 4 different kind of categories. And for each one, it has corresponding hairstyle. So even though you only create one hair, one layer for hair one, if the library you link into hair one has categories, it will also be defaultly added to the option set. Like hair one, and you have bone and tie, short length, mid length, and long length, which is related to this one. Okay, that's back to the how to add and move option in option set. I've just shown you how to add options. Sometimes you also want to change the option orders. For example, here, the hair is under, like experiences is like after they have chosen the body and they have chosen the pants and shirt, then they're gonna choose the hairstyle. I was thinking, can they just first start to choose the hairstyle? Like they choose hairstyle first, then the clothes. So what we need to do is we move these options. Here one, I just want to move it higher. After body two. And then also for the hair too, I do the same thing. Does this will change the order? Let's see. You see weird thing is here one, the 4 categories here. But then the corresponding hairstyle image is way down. That is because we left all these hairstyle options in the back. The bone and tie, short length, mid length, all these things. We also need to manually move it. And bad news is all these things, you're gonna do it one by one. There's no like group moving building function. So mid length. Okay, save the option. This is what will happen. The other changed. That is how to move the option. There's another way to move option. Notice we only have one page here. What if we have multiple pages? Because what I show you to move the option you could just move it inside this page. You cannot move this one to another page. I'll just go to another option set. For example, this one. Oh, this one also only have one. My bad. Let's pick up another one. Some complicated one. Hope there is. Basic t-shirt, me and my puppy. So one page. So mostly after you have know how to do ID sharing things, your template, your option set will be maximum 2 to 3 page. Okay, this one has 2 page. Let's see what will happen. So you have this small button here. It's called click to move option. And you have 2 page. For example, if I want to move this hashtag to second page, let's see if we could do that. You move to the top of the bottom, but you can move to the next page. What if I just want to show it in the next page's order? So this method won't work, but you could do that. So one page could only contain maximum 40 option. If you want to move this one to like page 2 or page 3, you could count it. If that's in page 2, the ID, the number of these options assigned ID will probably be like 41 to 80. Then let's try. Set new option. We move it to 47. Okay. And we go to page 2, see if hashtag is on 47. Look, 47 hashtag. That's another way to move option. And this is everything about today's video. We have covered how to add option and how to move option in the option set. Feel free to leave comment if you have any question. Thank you very much.